Okay, welcome to the Ellet High School Early Childhood Education. This is a tour guide.
What is that?
Alright, feel free to ask any questions.
What's your name?
Oh,
My name's Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Why are there glasses on your head?
Okay, onward.
That guy in the back's weird.
Yeah, I know he is. I get that a lot.
Oh,
That is Tommy. He graduated too long ago. He should
What's your
not
name
be here.
again?
Hi, Tommy. Nice to meet you.
Why is his name Tommy?
Why's your name Tommy?
Achoo! Did you sneeze? Liar. Bang! This is the kitchen set. Say hi. Hello.
Hi.
Not you. That's a rainbow. Why is it a rainbow? Is it pretty? My name is Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Hi.
Hi.
This is a big box. Did you sneeze?
No, I didn't. No.
Bang! I didn't like it. He looks at me weird. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a sousaphone.
What's a sousaphone?
What's that? Did you sneeze? No! Hey! But I like it. This is Chris. His pants are entirely too short.
Why are they short?
This is short.
Oh yeah.
Achoo! Bang! I didn't like this. This looks like the chair. I didn't like it. The salty? Yeah. We'll go back to the rainbow again. We're all chill. No! There's a dead body. Are you the one that's sneezing? Yes.